Alright folks, well the crypto market is crashing again. It feels like recently the crypto market has been crashing more than I do in Mario Kart. And that's a lot, because everyone throws their damn red shells at me. But don't panic. You should be doing the complete opposite, which is not panicking, in case you were wondering of what the opposite was. Now is the time to buy in while they're at their low point, so you can make big returns. What coins am I talking about? Well, you have to watch to the end because I need that YouTube watch time. But before we go into what coins you need to keep your eyes on, please let me read this disclaimer off to you so I'm literally held accountable for nothing, because words are more powerful than Goku. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is simply for your entertainment. So make sure to also do your own research when considering investing into the crypto world. Never fully rely on people like me who can't even tie their own Velcro shoes. Also, make sure to subscribe to this channel because a lot of you who watch aren't actually subscribed, and that hurts my feelings. It makes me want to run into a wall. Okay, so let's start with the most obvious one, and that is Ethereum. This one is undervalued even if it was at $5,000. I truly believe that we are going to see Ethereum at $10,000 by early Q1 of next year. Not only with how the market has been going, but with how mainstream NFTs and the metaverse in general is becoming. And it's coming fast. I expect Ready Player One to be a reality in the next 5 years. And if it's not, then don't quote me on it because I have an ego issue and I hate being wrong. Ethereum to me just has the biggest future as things stand right now. So for myself, I make sure I always have a good amount in ETH because it's more trustworthy than my wife. Right, Jen?
What?
Speaking of NFTs, this next coin is a top contender in the world of NFTs, and that coin is Solana, which sounds like the name of a nail salon. To me, this is the second runner-up for the best NFT blockchain, right beneath ETH. Now, it's down from its all-time high, which was $250, but once again, as I stated before, as NFTs become more mainstream, this is only going to go up. Now, I keep saying mainstream, and you're probably saying, is there any evidence of NFTs even going mainstream? Well, thanks for asking, person who probably didn't actually ask that. Recently, Adidas did a collaboration with a bunch of NFT projects, and so did Nike. Disney, Marvel, even McDonald's have released NFTs recently. If that isn't enough evidence for you, then I don't know what is. It's currently ranked 5th out of all coins. Now, if you're not first, then you're last. Thanks, Ricky Bobby, for your words of wisdom that have helped me to this day. I even just got to use it in a YouTube video. However, 5th place is no joke, especially with how many damn coins are coming out nowadays. The market cap on this is $50 billion, which is actually how much Elon Musk owes me. I wish. If Solana keeps improving in the realm of NFTs, I don't see why it doesn't go from $500 to $1,000. I'm a pretty big believer in investing in the top coins right now as they are there for a reason. So coins like ETH, Cardano, Solana, Madonna. Just kidding, but you get the point. Number 3, Cardano. Now this coin gets talked about a lot, but has been dropping more than Overwatch's player base. However, I like to buy the dips. Dips means profits. Well, sometimes if you pick the right coins. To me, this is one of them. I mean, just look at how amazing it was doing at one point. It climbed a mountain and then realized it wasn't physically fit, and tripped over its own belly and crashed. But I think it'll eventually go on a diet and get fit once again to climb that mountain. It was literally doing the best out of all the coins at one point, or even this year. But once the bull run was over, the bear came in and gave it the people's elbow. With that being said, I think Cardano is a good long-term hold. Gotta have them diamond hands, meaning it will do either really poorly or really well in due time. So strap on your seatbelts because we're either gonna crash or go for one hell of a ride. This would be the time as it's at a 50% discount. It's like a Christmas special. Tell your mom you want Cardano as a New Year's present. Now this next coin has a lot of potential. Can you guess what it is? Hey editor, play the Jeopardy music and let's see if they can guess it. Did you guess it? Ha! Joke's on you. I can't hear you, so even if you did guess it, I wouldn't know. So this next coin that I'm speaking about is Terra. It's Luna, which is the Terra ecosystem. So technically the coin we're buying is Luna. Luna is now back down to $60, which was at $5 just a few months ago, which is a 12 times gain in just a few months. Now this is just a prediction. Call me the Nostradamus of crypto because it seems that this is the only thing I'm doing in this video. And if I'm right, everything I do better get clipped and saved in the crypto historical archives of smartest predictor person ever, which is a title I just made up and reserve complete rights to. Anyway, I think at some point next year, this coin will hit anywhere from $500 to $1,000. This coin is decentralized and autonomous. That's right, folks, I can use big words. There is a lot to this coin that has to do with US dollar coin and other things that will benefit Luna. I won't talk much more about this because honestly, there's so much to this coin that it could be an entire video in itself, which I might do if I look into the mirror and realize I have run out of ideas and desperate for your likes. Next up, we have Polygon. The reason I invest into this coin is because it's named after a shape, and I like shapes. I'm just kidding. Or am I? Wait, isn't Polygon a Pokemon? Wait, no, that's Polygon. I expect a Polygon altcoin soon. Now, one of the main points about this has to do with its correlation to Ethereum. Ethereum is pretty broken and Polygon offers solutions to those issues. With those solutions being offered, and as time goes on, if it gets adopted along with Ethereum, this will also follow the mainstream path, which means the value will skyrocket. However, there is a counterpoint to this to keep in mind. If, and this if is bigger than Galactus or my wife's pregnant belly. She's ignoring me. If Ethereum fixes the issues that they have, which there are plenty of, Polygon might not be relevant. So this could be a short-term play or a long-term play. This is something you will really have to keep track of. Next up, Chainlink. Now this bad boy is more undervalued than this YouTube channel. I know you agree. But seriously, it's only at $18 right now, and think about how much Chainlink is used, especially with once again NFTs becoming mainstream and how booming that industry is right now. We're only at the beginning. Chainlink is the core of all of this. It allows NFTs to do what they do at the highest level. Smart contracts wouldn't be so smart without Chainlink. Without it, it would be like not so smart contract. You get the point. So those are the top 5 in my opinion to keep your eyes on. But I'm not done just yet, because I want to mention 3 more coins that I think are worth looking into in January of 2022. 2022. That's right, folks. We're about to be in 2022, which is the same number of coronavirus variants that we'll have next year. First up, we have Axie Infinity Shards. Now, I know this sounds like a currency out of a Final Fantasy game, but it's not. But it is a crypto game. It's a crypto game where you collect cute monsters to absolutely decimate other people's cute monsters to earn money. So basically, Pokemon without the creatures only knowing how to say their own name. There's a lot of ways to make money in this game, including breeding and obtaining potions. Some Axie NFTs have sold for over $600,000. It's absolutely insane. However, you do need 3 Axie NFTs to start playing, so it's an investment, but if you get good enough and build knowledge around what to do in the game, you will earn that back tenfold. Just think of them as investments, even though you probably want to buy a PS5 instead. Good luck finding one of those, by the way. And if you do, please send me one. I've been trying to for the past year, and I'm on the verge of dropping myself in the nose. Anyways, Axie Infinity is currently around $107, and it's also ranked within the top 30 altcoins. Not to mention the community is insanely loyal and massive, and as the community grows, so does the value of the coin. And I don't see this game slowing down anytime soon. And the reason being is that everyone wants to be the best there ever was. To catch them is their real test, to train them is their cause. Okay, no more Pokemon references. Next up, we have Ocean. That's right, everyone. Crypto has become so popular that the thing that contains 96.5% of all Earth's water is now investing. So as you probably know, websites like Facebook, Snapchat, and others use our data and sell it to companies for big profit, which we see no percentage of. But don't worry, because Ocean is going to change that. Now we're going to get a cut of companies seeing our disgusting browser history. Ocean Protocol has its own open source marketplace where people can upload their data basically to sell to these companies for a cut. Now I really want to make more jokes about this, but honestly, I think it's pretty cool. Listen, if you're going to see the nasty things that I look at, then I at least want a cut of it. Think of it as data monetized, unlike this YouTube channel, which still has yet to be monetized. Man, YouTube just keeps making it harder and harder out here. Right now, Ocean is at about $1. That's right, folks, it's the only thing you can't pick up at the dollar store. So make sure to look into it because it could be the future. Now, last but not least, we have Cryptocom's coin, which has literally went up 300% last month. And it's probably because they feature Matt Damon on their site. Literally the only reason, nothing else. It is currently the world's fastest growing crypto app. Think of this as something like Binance or Coinbase. They also have unlimited amounts of marketing money. They literally bought Staples Center Arena and turned it into Crypto.com Arena, which was a $700 million deal. Listen, Crypto.com, I'm not Matt Damon, but if you need me to make more of these vids promoting you guys, just let me know. I'll give you guys my MetaMask wallet and we can work something out. These guys are literally at the forefront of everything. If a new coin comes out, it's probably on there. If a new crypto trend comes out, it's probably on there. If a new version of Matt Damon comes out, it's probably on there. This is probably the biggest of the 3 just because it's literally everywhere. Alright folks, well that is going to be the end of the video. Now remember guys, these were just my opinions and not financial advice. However, if you did like this video, make sure to follow us on Twitter here. Love you guys, and we will see you in the next one.